Make una listen to this sound. Make una listen to that. Now they listen, Abi. Now don't hear them. They call that sound appreciation sound. Yes. You know what that means? Na nyash they appreciate prick so. Nyash they clap for prick, back, back. So that make prick get joy. Nyash they appreciate prick. Understand? So if you get girlfriend and your girlfriend nyash, no they appreciate your prick. Pursue am. Go find nyash wey go dey as you dey fuck you. The nyash they appreciate your own prick as a man.
Photo.
You understand? If the nyash no fit appreciate your prick, she is not worthy to be pressed. Even as the nyash they clap so back. God save they get joy for him. You understand? They call him son of appreciation.